COVID-19 has certainly fanned the flame when it comes to drug overdose deaths in the U.S. The CDC recently reported more than 100,000 people died from a drug overdose during the first year of the pandemic. Many of those were due to an opioid addiction. In tonight's special report, we take a look at a new device that's in the works to cut that number down to size. Every second counts more than you may know when someone is overdosed on drugs.
Within 4 minutes, you could actually be brain dead.
Charles Bandoyan is the head of Innovative Health Strategies, a Peoria-based healthcare think tank that's working with researchers at Bradley University to develop a device that would stop an opioid overdose.
And we're just dismayed by the number of deaths from opioid overdoses. And we thought we needed to do something, or at least try something.
After 2 years of collaborating, they've come up with this 2-inch wonder.
The device has a long name, and it's really just an automated opioid overdose injection device.
It works like this.
As soon as it detects an overdose, it will activate, send the 911 call, and the first dose will be injected within 1.2 seconds.
The device detects if an overdose is happening by tracking the wearer's respirations.
Opioids suppress the breathing, and when that happens, the oxygen saturation goes down.
After the device sends a cell phone text message to 911 indicating an overdose is happening, it continues to monitor the wearer's vital signs for the next 5 minutes. If there is no improvement, then it administers another dose of nalmefene. Bandoyan says it will deliver up to 3 doses total every 5 minutes if needed.
Nalmefene in clinical trials is actually, it lasts 3 times longer than naloxone, and it's much stronger.
Bandoyan and Imtiaz say the target user for this device is for the person who is trying to beat their opioid addiction, a battle where mistakes can and do happen.
One of the odd things about people who are trying to get off of opioids is that the longer that they don't have opioids, the less tolerant they are.
While the researchers realize they are not the first to try to develop a device like this, they say theirs is the smallest and the most wearable so far. It would be attached to your upper arm, abdomen, or thigh with a medical adhesive. Once you use it,
At this time, we are seeing this as a disposable device.
now, this device isn't ready for patient use just yet. The researchers still need to complete the testing phase, but hope to make it available within the next year. Those researchers add that this device could have a few other uses as well.